Welcome, my piano friends. Thank you for joining me for another piano episode. Welcome, my piano friends. Thank you for joining me for another piano tutorial on clamp series. Of late, you've realized that I've been uploading hymn videos. Sing along videos for interested hymn singers. If you are one, kudos to you. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to all so that you don't miss any of my videos when they drop. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the common Christmas carol Jingle Bells on piano. I'm going to teach you how to play it from the beginner stage to the advanced stage. So let's get started. We are going to play this in the key of G. Yeah. So the song goes like this. Okay, so this is the beginner stage. You have to practice this over and over again before you be able to play it this way I'm now about to teach you. Let's watch this carefully. I'm going to play slowly. Did you get that? If you didn't get that, let's go over again. You play the E minor chord in your right hand with the G major chord in your left hand. So the names of the chords appear on your screen, so you can identify them from there. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching this video with me. Catch you in my subsequent videos. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye.